Mm. Oh god. Ew, I didn't know I was recording. I don't feel like it. God. Okay, whatever. My name is Pickle Sprinkles and you're watching Disney Channel. God, I wish I was in Disney Channel. Is my mouse working or no? To be honest, I actually have the worst sense of humor in, like, the world. Yo, why is everyone here just ugly? Just, you're all ugly. Yo, that is not a girl. Why is Royal High, like, such a bad game? You're not Drake, you're white, JA. Sorry, I like quiet, like, God, hate everything. You're seeing this, right? Well, your father is a liar. Oh my god, I wish my mouse worked right now. You spell liar wrong. Okay, I'm just gonna leave. So, just gonna leave Royal High. Oh my god. What is that? Close. Okay. Plan B. Um, to be honest, I don't really have one. Hotel Adopt and Raise. Hmm, I'll pass. That game is full of online dating and raccoons. I'm not gonna do another video with the Roblox skating rink. Oh my god, I hate everything. You know what? I'm gonna play Flute Escape. And yes, I call it Flute Escape because I'm special. If you know what I mean. Special in the head. Okay. Time to act like a weird YouTuber. Escape today. I'm playing Flood Escape. Well, I'm just gonna like join. I honestly suck at flood. Oh my god, I hate this camera angle so much. Okay, that's better. It's better. Oh, BTW. Ew, I did not just say BTW. I am not that person. I am not that person, I promise. Okay, so currently where I live it is 2:20 something PM because I don't record in AM. I don't record in AM because I'm not like that. If you hear like weird typing, oh my god, that's my vote. Ew, stop. Well, I'm gonna show you guys where the secret room is. So once you enter Flute Escape, you're like here. Then gotta jump up here. Well, you know what? I'll show you afterwards. Cause I'm trying to join in the game. I sound like a 2-year-old boy, don't I? Probably. Oh my god, I'm about to join. Whenever I get mad, I kind of like high pitch scream, so I'm sorry if you have to hear that. Oh my god. Sorry, I don't get buttons. I'm not a peasant. Get the buttons, raccoons! Get the buttons! My name is Vladimir Jones, and you're watching Disney Channel. I got the button. Was good. I'm not getting the buttons. All of you peasants can get the buttons, because I'm not a peasant. Little raccoons. Anyone with the fat body is a raccoon. Oh my god. Honestly, Float Escape and anyone who made this game can go to hell. I have to go to hell tomorrow. School. JK. No, I'm not kidding. I hate school. Get the buttons, raccoons. I'm trying to survive. Oh my god. Get the... Let me just show you my emote. Radical. Okay. I call that the tubular. Oh my god, I'm so bad at Float Escape. BTW, I'm on level 10. Oh my god, I didn't. Oh my god. I didn't just follow that. You guys didn't see that. No one, I know no one's gonna watch this. And I know I'm practically just talking to myself. But, see, I'm level 10. I'm not a liar. Well, this dude looks cool, but he definitely has a skin. The Flash! Cool, shout out to you, sir. I'm not accepting your friend request, but shout out to you. Oh my god, why do all of you want to be my friend? Why are y'all sending me requests? I don't want to be your friend. Sorry. Bruh, I'm not accepting it. Shout out to the Flash. The Flash 0614. And shout out to Haley R205. Yeah. It's funny how, oh my god, I'm gonna die, oh my god. Okay, yeah, I always die. At the end of this one, I like, always die. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, I hate this one. I always die here. No! 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 Oh my god. I'm gonna spell it out. Hold on. ING. Okay, did you get it? Okay, I'm gonna show you guys the, Okay, so you go up here, jump, and then move forward. And then you're going to go around here, go up. Sorry, American. Oh, this is amazing. I love my life. I love being a YouTuber. Being a YouTuber is like the best. I don't take advantage of people. Be like, sub to me. Oh my god, why do they want to be my friend so bad? I literally started YouTube not that long ago. Ah. Oh my god, I'll accept it. I'll accept it because you're annoying. JK, no one's annoying. I'm just negative. Ah, that scared the crap out of me. I wonder why people actually, like, want to be my friend. Oop, the Flash just left. Ah! So he just wants to be. You know what? I'm not gonna say anything because I'm not trying to offend anyone. Yeah, I don't. Oh, he just joined again. Hi, 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 hi. Let me get the button. Let me get the button. Oh, I got it. What's good, rats? Oh no, no, no! I'm not getting it. I'm really sorry. Get it! Get it! Get it! Get it! You can do it! You can do it! You can do it! Get it! Oh my god! Get the button. Thank you. I sub. Sure you did, bruh. I'm not getting that. I died. I'm gonna check if the young bull lied. Oh, my vid's gonna end soon. Crap. Okay, so like whenever my video ends, like all of a sudden, it means that it's been 15 minutes. And I'm not trying to make my videos that long, cause you know I'm not Desperito. And oh my god, Martha Arthur has just entered the building. Okay, so my friend Martha, I was in one of her videos in her channel, and and yeah. So oh my god, why is everyone in the server look exactly the same? I'm so bad at Flutterscape. Why are you saying okay? Honestly, I'm confused. Is everyone here just a 2-year-old boy? I am a 2-year-old boy. Not even a boy, I need help. Yo, he's scaring the cripples out of me. He's scaring the crippling depression. Ah, I got the button. What's good? Hurry behind me. Get wrecked. Get wrecked. Oh my god. No. 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 Go. 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 Oh my god, I died. You know what? Neither do I. Yeet. I'll follow you though. My name is Chicken Nuggets. My vid about to answer. Soon, oof. Well, I'm just gonna keep staring at the time. I'm sorry if my voice is cringy, just trying to bring that up. Bring that up. And yeah. We have currently reached 13 something minutes. I'm still gonna be on Flutterscape. B2W, my Roblox account is BadBaby66. Because you know, Daniel Bergoli for life. Like, you know what I mean? Daniel Bergoli, Queen, yes. Okay, so we're at 14 minutes now. So, oh my god, I hate this McDonald's lobby. Sorry. We're about to, video's about to end soon. Well, I'm just gonna say it now. See you guys later. Well, see you guys later. I'll be posting, tomorrow. And I also have this tradition where I post 3 videos in one day. And I might do that. I don't know why I said tradition. This isn't like a holiday. So we're about to reach 15. Okay, bye guys. See you later.